guys, before you start any workout, you definitely want to make sure you're hydrated and you're not starving. So you want to make sure you have one of your snacks or your meals in appropriate time as the notes have given you. I want to give you a couple of things that you could do to just warm up and stretch before your workout. So one is just marching in place. You're going to keep your body nice and straight, drive your knees top towards the bottom, and pump through those arms. You can do this for a couple of minutes. Another thing you can do is jumping jacks. So if you like to jump, jumping jacks are great. If you're not a jumper, you can just step out and just get the heart rate pumping, moving those arms nice and strong. Another thing you can do are squats. Making sure that we're driving down into those heels. We drop down and bring back up, adding some speed to that. That will get your heart rate up. Another one are lunges. I'm not a big fan of forward lunges because they can hurt the knees. So definitely reverse lunges, coming down. Notice how this foot draws all the way back so that my knee is right over that heel. We'll just do those in repetitions. You can switch and alternate right to left. You can even do the jumps coming down. All right, so another thing that you can do are a running lunge. Coming down, and again, if coming down this low is too much for you, you can hold on to a chair or stabilize yourself. So this is really, really great to stretch out your hamstring. You can do side lunges. We want to make sure that we have our arms warmed up, so we'll do some circles and the other way. Great for your quad. Great, good job. Other things we can do are around the world. That will include a front lunge, a side, and a back. And you'll do those. You can hear my heart rate. My breath is already getting up. And then the last but not least, this is one of my favorite, especially when we're at a desk and our lower back is feeling kind of sore. We can come on down and do Superwoman. Now if this is too much for your neck, go ahead and place your hands on the pillow, put your forehead on your hands, and you can straddle your feet, open them up. You can do one foot at a time, one arm, one leg. And those are some great ways to get warmed up for your workout.